Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a super easy creamy pasta recipe that my kids absolutely love. First, get some water boiling for the pasta and then heat up some cooking oil over medium heat in a small pan. Next, cut 3 slices of bacon. Guys, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Separate the bacon a bit so it doesn't clump together. Put the chopped bacon in the pan and cook it over medium or medium-high heat, but make sure it doesn't get too crispy or burned. By now the water for the pasta should be boiling. Add salt to taste. I usually add 1 teaspoon and then add 9 ounces or 250 grams of pasta. Cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package. Next, take 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes and chop them up if you want. You can skip the chopping and just add them straight to the pan with the bacon. I chop them because my kids prefer it that way. Add the chopped sun-dried tomatoes to the pan with the bacon and mix well. Next, take 3 large garlic cloves and finely chop them. Friends, if you have any friends or family who are always on the lookout for great recipes, share this one with them and make their day a little tastier. Add the chopped garlic to the pan and cook, stirring constantly for about 1 minute. Add half a cup or 120 ml of heavy cream. Stir, and if needed, increase the heat slightly to bring the cream to a gentle simmer. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pasta seasoning. Also add pepper to taste. Reserve about half a cup or 120 milliliters of the pasta water. Then drain the pasta and add it to the pan. Mix the pasta well with the creamy sauce. Then gently pour in the reserved pasta water and mix the pasta again. The pasta water helps thicken the sauce and brings all the ingredients together. Serve the pasta with grated hard cheese. This elegant and light main dish is ready in just 25 minutes. The pasta is coated in a silky, smooth, and flavorful creamy sauce. My kids absolutely love pasta made this way. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, share your favorite kid-friendly pasta recipes in the comments below.